Some individuals have characteristics which make them more likely to survive. Perhaps they have sharper eyes or quicker hooves to help them escape a predator. Either way, these individuals are more likely to live long enough to produce young. This is survival of the fittest. And it's mainly the fittest who pass their characteristics on to the next generation.
In natural history, there's a future, and the future belongs to the fit.
Darwin said that over many generations, these small differences can grow into large differences. Eyes get sharper, legs go faster. Eventually, the changes become so great, they lead to new species. This explains how life gets more complex. But how does it get more diverse? How does one species become two? According to Darwin, the answer lies in the environment. Imagine that a group of brown bears leaves its natural home and heads north to the Arctic. In this new environment, a bear with light-colored fur will find it easier to hunt seals, making it more likely to survive. More light-colored bears reproduce, and eventually the color of the bear population changes. According to the scientists, that's what happened. Step by step, a population of brown bears became polar bears. One species became two. This is Darwin's big idea: evolution by natural selection. Species can branch off like limbs of a tree and over time evolve into new species. It's an extraordinary idea that tiny changes, each offering some small advantage, can build up into a new species. So far, Darwin's theory has withstood the objections of its critics. But can it withstand the next challenge? Around 96% of our DNA is the same as chimpanzees. Around 75% of our genes are the same as dogs. And we share around a third of our genes with daffodils. So if our DNA is so similar, why do Earth's creatures all look so different? The new science of genetics shows that evolution can occur faster and more easily than scientists thought.
There's always going to be things we don't know about nature. But what we know is so profound and so elegant and shows us so dramatically how evolution happened, including our own evolution, that it's an inescapable fact.
Natural selection not only explains the rich variety of the natural world, it's the only rational explanation for it. From the color of flowers to the fins of a whale. From a distance, the variety and richness of life is dazzling. It can seem almost like a miracle. But the real miracle is that simple natural laws can create such an extraordinary and varied world, and that one of nature's own creations, the human mind, is capable of understanding the simple scientific truth of how we came to be here.